Hi. Today we are going to discuss about asymptotes. So generally, for any kind of function, whether it's reciprocal, absolute, square root function, or quadratic, cubic, we are often asked to find horizontal, vertical, or slant asymptotes. So students often get confused that what are the basic rules that we apply, that we can apply to all type of functions. So here is a sum. I have summarized for you all students that how can we find horizontal, vertical, and slant asymptotes. Okay, so let's talk about horizontal asymptote. So be clear that it has three cases. First case is when degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator. In this case, it is not possible. Okay, it is not possible to find horizontal asymptote. There is no horizontal asymptote in this case when degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator. Okay, next case, when degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator, then it's possible, and the only possibility is y is equals to 0. For example, degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator, then y is equals to 0 is horizontal asymptote. HA, horizontal asymptote. Case 3, when degree of numerator is equals to degree of denominator. See, degree of numerator is 1, degree of denominator is 1. They are equal. So what we have to do is, we have to find the ratio of coefficients of leading terms. Leading terms means here is a leading term. Leading term means highest degree. Highest degree here is 1. Here highest degree 1 of x has coefficient 2. Highest degree 1 coefficient x is coefficient minus 1. So 2 over minus 1, that is minus 2. So this is the horizontal asymptote for the case 3. So I hope it's clear for horizontal asymptote. These are three cases that can apply for any kind of function. Okay. Vertical asymptote. Vertical asymptote has to be found by making denominator is equals to 0. For example, if I say this case, you have to just put denominator is equals to 0. Okay. So in this case, 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. That will be equal to x is equals to minus 1 by 2. For example, if I see this one, y is equals to 4x over x minus 2. Just put x minus 2 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 2. This is the vertical asymptote. Okay. Slant asymptote. Okay. So it has also one case. It exists only when degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator. Only exists only that case. Okay. So the case 1, if we say degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator. In horizontal, we said horizontal doesn't exist, but slant exists. So, for example, fx equals to x square minus 9 over 2x minus 4. You have to divide 2x minus 4, x square minus 9. You know how to divide, right? So, 2x minus 4, x square minus 9. Here, we have to make x square. Here, it's 2x. If you multiply it by x and divide it by 2, it will become x square. And multiply this by this, we get minus 2x. Subtract it, we get 2x minus 9, 2x and 2x. You just have to add 1. So because 2x plus 1 is 2x, minus 4 plus 1 is minus 4, subtract, we get minus 5. So whatever the question is, we don't have to make remainder 0. Leave it. Just focus on question. Whatever the question is, this is our slant asymptote, or we can say oblique asymptote. Okay, it exists only when degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator, only in that case. So these are the three summarized asymptotes for you all of students. So you can apply these rules to any kind of function. I hope it's clear. Thank you.